As you probably gather, we went to the Harrogate Food and Drink Fair at the weekend and cook with Owen, and he made some meatballs. South African, and I'm going to attempt to make some of his meatballs. So, cook with Owen. Let's show you. I think, if I remember correctly, he made sort of paste because he didn't use eggs and didn't use breadcrumbs. So he pre-cooked and caramelized his onions. So he's got the best ever butcher's mince. Obviously salt and pepper. He does this. Not like this. He does this. This. I don't need an avocado, so I'll put that away. Let's get going. Salt to give it a bit of cutting, and my chef knives are being sharpened ilkley at the moment, so I'm improvising. I've got my grated ginger. I very finely chopped, so fine they add the two together. Always use a plastic spoon to stir to make sure there's no like metallic taste. This could be a controversial part of recipe. I'm going to cook the onions in a little dripping, beef dripping, yeah, only a little bit. Stick spoon, of course. We have induction in our van, so let's get it cooking, shall we? Oh, careful with my knife. In the meanwhile, whichever the thing, my coriander. Whilst I get my gloves on before I do the mixing with the magic hands, I'll give you a quick update of the weather. Raining at 14 degrees, 2nd of July, Yorkshire, United, 11 o'clock in the morning. Let the magic begin. My beef, I'll put in my coriander, put in my garlic and ginger paste, and I'm going to wait for the onions to cool, just giving it a bit of a whirl. Once I've made the balls, I'm going to put them on my Mick Jagger with some greaseproof paper from Mercadona. Add the onions. Now, Cook with Owen does this. So, I don't know. Are they working? Sally-Ann's not here. How do I turn the phone off? Owen's method of doing your balls like this really does work. Owen's balls, I'm going to call them from now on, will replace my signature dish, golden balls, and I will be making these France, Spain and Portugal for Dutch friends, Belgian friends, German friends, French friends, and even a big test, my Swedish friends. I'll probably park up in IKEA car park and set myself up. Let's cook one of Owen's balls. They might not be exactly to the recipe, but I'm sure he won't mind. We need to make a chakalaka sauce with it, but I need to wait for some masala mix, and that will be another video. Let's try one. Certainly can taste the garlic and ginger. That's a success. They're now known as Owen balls. Cooking with Owen. Rock on.